Do you struggle to fall asleep at night? Instead of using sleeping pills, try this simple natural drink that can help your body relax and sleep better. This warm banana cinnamon milk drink is rich in nutrients that support relaxation and deep sleep. You only need 3 simple ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup warm milk. A pinch of cinnamon. Bananas contain magnesium and potassium, which help relax muscles and calm the body. First, peel the banana and blend it with warm milk. Add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and extra health benefits. Blend until smooth and creamy. This drink helps your body produce melatonin, the natural hormone that controls sleep. Drinking it 30 minutes before bedtime can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Try this natural night drink tonight and give your body the relaxation it deserves. Sweet dreams and good night.